Hey guys, welcome to Saras Craftshop. So today we are going to make polymer clay pandas and some bamboos. This is going to be a part of another project which is a photo frame. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make the pandas with the polymer clay, and I'm going to use just three colors of clay, which is black, white and Spanish olive. All these colors are from Premo sculpey. So I'll be just using them. We need some basic items. We just need a roller or a pasta machine. Then we'll just need a blade. We'll need a toothpick or a skewer, a ball tool, and yeah, pretty much that's it. And then you need your two hands. That's it, and we will just get started. This is the project that I'm going to use on my, these pandas are going to be used on my photo frames. So if you haven't watched my photo frame video, I'll put that in the description box below. So have that a watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button to see more videos that I put again. So let's get started.
So this is the polymer clay that we are going to use. We need a white clay, Spanish olive and a black clay. All these clays are from Premo sculpey. I'm using a Xacto knife, some cookie cutters and an extruder with the round disc. Now all the clay has been conditioned to the thickest setting in my pasta machine. I am extruding the green clay. And this is an optional method. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. It's just going to make my work easier, and I just want my clay a little more conditioned, so that is the reason why I'm using the extruder here. I need to see what is the length of the bamboo stick that I'm going to use, and based on that I'm just going to cut this into 3 equal parts. And once this is done, I'm going to roll it further and make it a more thinner one. I need the bamboo sticks to be quite thin, and it has to be long enough to fill the sides of the photo frame. I'm cutting off the excess ones from the top and the bottom, and using the blunt side of my blade I'm just going to imprint the nodes on the bamboo stick. So this is going to happen. It's going to be the same for all the 3 strands of green clay. Here I'm using a smaller bamboo stick. This is for one of my panda to hold onto it. So my bamboo stick is quite small, and I'm using the same method to make the nodes. Now with the rest of the green clay, I'm just going to roll it again and slice them into smaller bits, and I'm going to make leaves with them. So I'm just going to roll it into a teardrop shape, and using a needle tool or a skewer or a toothpick, you just have to make an impression in the middle of the teardrop so that it looks like the vein of the leaf. To make our panda, we are using the black and the white clay. I'm using the bigger cutter to make two circles from the black and from the white. And the black, I'm cutting it into half and taking a small cookie cutter, and I need one part of that from the black clay. Now the ones that I've cut into half, and this will become my pair of hands and legs for the panda, while the white circles will be for my body and for the head of the panda. I need the hands to be a little more longer than the legs. So when I'm rolling it into the elongated one, I need it tapered to one end. In the white clay, I'm just making sure that there is no black clay on my hands so that it doesn't go into my white clay. I'm rolling it into a ball, and I'm taking the small part of the black clay and pressing it and joining it together and rolling it to be as one part. And then I don't need it a round shape, I'm making it slightly oval. Now I'm going to use the hand, and I'm going to just cut the tip of it so that it will be joining to the part of my body. Now the two hands are done, and in the similar fashion I'm going to do it for my legs as well. I'm just flattening the tip of the legs so that I need to add some paws later on. Now the body of the panda is done. Now for the next step, the head. We're taking the white ball, and I'm going with a skewer or a needle tool, just make an indentation in the middle of the head, and then squishing it with your thumbs. Using a ball tool, just press a little bit on the ends of the eyes to make the eyeballs. Now flatten a little tiny piece of the black clay so that it becomes part of the eyes. Now I'm adding a small piece of white clay as part of its nose. I'm just going to smoothen the edges here. Now using a small black piece of bit, I'm adding it as the tip of the nose. Now to make the mouth for the panda, I'm just going to use a thin strand of black clay here. It was a little sticky here, so just a long one and two short ones for the mouth, making my panda a little happy panda here. Now to complete the eyes, I'm just going to use the white clay on top of the black one there. Now adding two small black clay on top of the white one, just to make the panda look a little more lively, and just adding a small dot of white clay on top of the black one. Our panda is almost complete here. I'm just going to add the ears for the panda. I'm just going to have two round slices, and using my ball tool just smushing them here on in the middle and then sticking it onto the head. Now to add the paws for the panda, I'm just using the white clay here. So our first panda is done. This panda is holding the bamboo stick here. So the rest of the pandas that I'm going to do is going to follow the same steps. So it's going to be the same thing, and I'm just going to go it a little more faster. Here is how I made the pandas and the bamboo sticks. They will be used on the photo frame project. If you have not watched the photo frame video, please click on the link that is given in the description box below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button for more notifications. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.